Good morning everyone. I'm up bright and early this Sunday morning and I'm going to take you on Thornton Road in Bradford to show you some of the footage I uploaded of the demolition of the Junction Mills, and there you have it. Now, for those who live local will have an idea where this is, and those who have just joined the channel or stumbled across our channel, welcome. Now, just across here used to be the Junction Mills that belonged to the Bradford College estate. Now, every Thursdays I walk down Thornton Road towards the city centre to my workplace, and on occasion I took footage of the demolition, which is done by Morgan Sindel, as it says on the wooden fence there. So I've got quite a bit of this footage, and I don't normally do this. What I'll do is I'll just upload the footage on this channel, and it will be a document for the people of Bradford to view. And this Junction Mills will be replaced by a future technology building worth £17 million, and I think it'll be constructed or completed in 2005-2006, and that particular department at the moment is at Bowling Back Lane, and the students from there will be relocated here. So let me get a bit closer. I've not been to this site since it's been demolished. Let's have a look through these gates and see what it looks like. Yep, it's all cleared out. And here is an artist impression. It'll be a 4-storey building, state of the art. Now, there's a lot of mixed views about this. I mean, I don't know if it's all around the country or whether it's just Bradford for being notorious of old Victorian buildings just get burnt down for one reason or the other. And if you go online, there's a lot of mixed feelings about this development. What are your thoughts? I'd love to know what are your thoughts. Just go into the comment section and drop me a comment and let me know what you think about this development. And just here is the Culture Fusion building, and just across there is a student accommodation. Let's just go up this beautiful cobbled road, or should I say 𝗧𝗛𝗔𝗡𝗧𝗏. Now, this building across there is called the Junction Mills, and that's a £6 million refurbishment happening at this moment. Guys, enjoy the video I'm just about to upload. It's again Bradford history. It's been documented and it's online. And drop me a comment. I'll see you on the next vlog. Take care.